I came into this video completely unprepared again. Great! So let's just jump right in. We're doing Halloween makeup again. This time, I'm a bit more prepared on what Halloween makeup I am going to do. As for ghost stories that I said I would tell, yeah, I didn't look up anything, so just gonna get right into it and we'll see what happens. So I cannot find any of my hair clips, so I'm going to keep having to hold my hair back as it gets in the way. I feel like this is just a girl problem. Like, you buy all these hair clips and all these hairpins and bobby pins, and you buy like 80 of them, and then the moment you need one, it's gone. With any good Halloween tutorial, we have to draw a line down our face. One thing I love about Halloween is there's really no rules. You can actually be whoever or whatever you want to be. Am I pretty yet? No, I'm not. We're not even close to done. Okay, so, fun part. I have lines on my face now. What am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing. I kind of know what I'm doing. As a natural person, you go over the black with white, because that makes perfect sense. I really have nothing to say because, like I said, I didn't look up any ghost stories or anything, which I totally said I was going to do, but I've also promised the follow-up to my pregnancy story like 5 times, so you guys should really learn I'm not reliable. Oh, why did I choose the bridge of my nose? This is a hard spot. Okay, hold on. I don't know, I kind of feel weird because I'm using up all this Halloween makeup and it's not even Halloween yet, but at the same time, I'm practicing for when it's actually Halloween. That way then my makeup will just be amazing. I don't know, we'll see. I'm probably going to dress up for work since I have a position now that I can do that. Just act like a child at work. It's a thing grown-ups do, right? I don't know, am I really a grown-up? Do you become a grown-up when you have a child? I feel like some people just kind of assume, oh, you have a child, so you must be like an adult now. And it's like, no, adulting didn't come with a manual and neither did having a child, so they basically just go, oh, you made this, here, take care of that, have fun. So, yeah. I was going to make this symmetrical and it didn't happen, and now I'm kind of upset. Just add some detailing. I kind of feel bad because when people watch these videos, they're probably watching them for content, and like, I'm not even describing what I'm doing. I'm literally just focusing on trying to make this one look good because I have like the coolest idea and I want it to come out cool. But now I'm so focused on trying to make it look good that I'm like, not even finishing a sentence apparently. I'm not even finishing a sentence. This is my life now. Okay. Clearly it's already come across that I am doing stitches on my face. Because why not at this point in my life? When you don't post for 2 whole months, what do you really have to lose? My cats are fighting. Hey. Stop it. Hello, I'm back. I'm very good at this. I want this to kind of look like bruising, but I don't want to go in too hard. I don't really know what I'm doing. That was way too bright of a color. Okay, well, that's there now. Down in the comments below, tell me what everyone else is going as Halloween. Anything fun planned? Maybe? Yeah? That'd be cool. Get something fun planned. I think no one has anything planned. Do any of us really plan things anymore? I mean, Like, let's be real, like, did I really plan this video? Like, did I clearly think any of this through? Of course not. That's what makes my videos fun and stupid and, I don't know, is relatable the right word? I feel like relatable isn't the right word. I'm actually putting effort into this, and I don't know why, because the moment I'm done with this video, I'm going to wash it all off and go to bed. I am literally recording this, and it's almost midnight. Just want you to see I'm not kidding. It is literally 12 o'clock. It is tomorrow already. This is what I do to make sure you guys have content when I say you're going to have content. I do have a cool plan for the next video, and I promise I will actually look up some ghost stories to tell you guys, because I feel it'll go really well with the makeup. I actually have to go buy some decent Halloween makeup to make that look, but I'm really excited about it. I guess I'll just tell you what I'm doing. I'm using purple eyeshadow to make it look like bruising and stuff, and then I'm mixing it with like a yellowish orange to kind of add to the string look. But the white powder of the Halloween makeup is kind of ruining my palette. So it's not really blending like I would like it to, but yes. Because if you got strings stitching your face together, clearly you have not been sleeping well. So let's just make it look like I have not been sleeping well. This needs one other thing. Oh, I know. Again, the hair is getting in the way because of course it is. What do you think? I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, quick Halloween makeup tutorial. Just do something easy. You could add more of these on your arms or something if you're actually going to do this for a Halloween costume. I think it's fun. I didn't have to put powder in my nose like I did last video. Ever purposely put powder in your nose? Ugh, that was not fun. I don't know. Maybe if I got some cool like eye contacts, I might do this for an actual Halloween thing. I don't know. Sorry for this being a quick video. Like I said, it is basically midnight. If you liked whatever this was, hit the like button. Subscribe. At this point, I don't know why you would, but I'm gonna say it anyway. And I'm gonna go to bed. So, good night.